how to make this jumping frog. And it jumps like this. When you take it like this, jumped. And I'm going to show you how to make this from only 1/2 of a square sheet. That means you can make 2 frogs out of 1 square paper. To make a frog, you need 1/2 of a square. So first step is fold your paper into half. And make it super sharp. Now unfold, and you can either tear it or cut it. I'm going to tear it from this line. If you are tearing, then please follow my steps. First, make a small tear through the crease and then try to just separate them like this. Then you would get a good piece. So keep one side aside, and now you have 1/2 of a square. So now let's start. First step is take the corner of the paper and fold it like this. Unfold and do the same with this side. Now rotate it 180 degrees. Do the same with this side. First, do the same with this side. Now we are going to make a water bomb base fold, and to make this easier, we shall turn over and fold this edge till these 2 points. Try to make it reach till that point, and do the same with the other side. Rotate 180 degrees and do the same. Fold the top edge, bottom edge to the points. Now turn over, and now this would be a bit easier now. So just push them and the same with this side. Now you have to take this flap and fold it up. And run your thumbnail on it to make a visible crease. And do the same with this side. Now it would look like this. So now unfold it once again and fold this point that it touches this crease. Like this. And now you have to do the same with the left side. See the crease and fold it. Like this. So we have to rotate it 180 degrees and do the same with this side. Make it like this. fold them to the crease. Now turn over like this. So your paper would look like this. There will be one square which is shaped like a diamond. There are 4 pieces like this. Now you have to fold this crease up. Now how much? Till these 2 points. Like this. We have to take it up. We have to match it with these 2 points. Like this. And now take these 2 points and fold them over here. This won't come right to the down, so just simply fold it and now do the same with this side. So your paper would look like this now. Now turn over, and now you have to fold this point up. How much, that depends on you. And after you fold it up, it would look like this, and fold this point which you just folded up down, and run your thumbnail on it with a bit more pressure. And if these 2 flaps are up, fold them down like this. Turn over, and here's your frog. And to make it jump, you have to take this and push it like this. Hope you are going to enjoy playing with this frog. And please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.